Hey everyone, welcome to Homes for Beginners, where I show you how to do repairs around the house yourself. In this video here, I'll be showing you how to replace the engine stop or shut-off cable on your lawnmower. These will eventually break with use. The cable will either wear out or the flywheel brake mechanism will seize up, causing excessive strain on the cable. When I bought this mower, the brake on the flywheel was seized and I fixed that along with replacing the cable. However, the spring tension is quite heavy, so in order to make this cable last, I'll be modifying the mechanism. Here's the new replacement cable. It can be purchased online or from your local small engine dealer. Some can be interchanged, others cannot. To remove the cable from the handle, simply pull the handle straight up in the off position, rotate the cable out to the side, and then disconnect. Using interlocking pliers, grab onto the plastic retaining bracket, wiggle it, and pull straight off at the same time. You'll see in a moment there is a plastic rod in the center to prevent this from rotating on the handlebars. Then cut any cable ties along the handlebars, which holds the cable in place. At the engine, the cable is clipped into a hole. You can use pliers to depress the tangs and then pull straight out. The other side of the cable was broken, therefore it has already been removed. It uses a similar connector at the lever of the handlebars. The new cable is fitted into the lever hole. Then pull the cable back slightly, insert it into the slot, and then push in the clip on the casing. You can skip ahead towards the end of the video if you want to simply replace the cable and not remove the engine brake. In this situation, I am removing the engine brake safety as this is actually causing too much strain on the cable. In order to do that, the recoil assembly must be removed. Tools will vary depending on what engine you have, but I will go over a quick overview. The air filter is built into the engine cover, therefore the carburetor intake tube does need to be disconnected as well. You may also find various bolts around the engine, which holds down this plastic cover. The oil cap was required to be removed. I stuffed paper towel inside the fill location to prevent any dirt from falling inside. The steel cover around the flywheel is then removed as well. Again, there are various bolts holding it down. Now the last piece is removing the flywheel nut. Here I'm using my 20-volt impact wrench made by OEM Tools, model number 24481 from Mobile Distributor Supply. Rated at 300 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque and 260 pounds of tightening torque. 2-speed transmission with a 4 amp-hour lithium-ion battery. This is a great addition to anyone's toolbox. A link to this will be included in the video description. Find that engine cover can be removed and we have full access to the engine brake. As you can see, there is a heavy spring. Even when using a large screwdriver to pry it, quite a bit of force is required. I used pliers to remove the spring. The brake can be moved freely. These are also replaceable. As you can see, mine does move freely, so there's no issue with this being seized. Using a ratchet, I remove the brake completely. The engine can still be shut off by being grounded out. As you can see, there is a lever and it's still functional with the spring. After that, the engine is then reassembled. The flywheel cover is installed along with the flywheel bolt. The plastic cover is installed back onto the engine along with the required fasteners. I did find my recoil was sticking a little, so now is a good time to take it apart for cleaning and rewinding that spring. Be extremely careful when working with these as the clock spring inside can fly out. Any dirt was cleaned out here, some light oil was applied, and then it was reassembled. I was required to retie the pull cord as that was the easiest way for winding the recoil. The recoil is then bolted back into place. The new cable is pushed into place and it's reinstalled back into the lever. Cable ties are used to hold everything down to the handlebars. Now you are officially done. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more home DIY videos. Thank you for watching.